Today's topic for discussion is Rhizopus rot disease of sapota. Let us see the details. The disease is very common on stored sapota in humid godowns. The disease occurs during transportation and storage period, and it is a very common disease in India because of poor facilities of storage of fruits. During harvest and packing, we have to handle the fruits very carefully. Even inconsiderable injury also makes fruits susceptible to the infection of Rhizopus. A typical symptom is produced on the affected fruit. The infected region of fruit appear water soaked. The spots are slightly depressed and brown in color. Gradually, the infected area increases in its diameter. The pulp of the fruit turns watery. In severe cases of disease development, the entire infected region of fruit show whitish mycelial growth with loosely arranged hyphae and black distinct conidia which are supported with long conidiophores. The infected fruit shape changes. Shape of the fruit gets changed due to breakage of the cell walls of the pulp region. A watery substance is released from the fruit. The fruits are unfit. Such type of fruits are unfit for consumption. The adjacent fruits get attacked by the fungus. The spread of the fungus is very fast. A profuse mycelial growth occurs on affected region. The fungus spread on healthy fruits through visits of Drosophila type of insect. The pulp becomes watery and bitter in taste, which is highly toxic. Let us see the details of causal organism. The disease is caused by Rhizopus stolonifer. It causes, this is a fungus, it causes soft rot disease of sapota. And besides these, two more species responsible for soft rot disease during storage period are Rhizopus solani and Rhizopus stolonifer. The fungus produces prostrate sporangiophores, rarely single and measuring 0.5 to 2 μm in length. All the branches produce sporangia which are spherical, 120 to 250 μm in diameter. Spores oval or round in shape, grayish brown and easily carried away by wind. Let us see the control measures. Some recommendations given by plant pathologist for management of the disease. Store fruits in well aerated and clean godown. During harvest, careful handling of the fruit reduces disease intensity. Remove injured fruit from the stalk before storage. Washing of fruits with lukewarm water reduces disease during storage. Copper sulfate treatment is effective against Rhizopus rot. Spray copper sulfate just before harvest. The packing cases should be disinfected before storage. Use soft sterile material for packing purpose. The grading of fruits should be done and stored separately. Fully ripe fruits should not be packed. These are the control measures given against Rhizopus rot of